Hey everybody, welcome to another exciting episode of Geocaching with Komikino and his not kid anymore.
I'm something now.
Yes, that's right, you are something else. Thanks for admitting that. You know what? One of our very first episodes that we filmed, kid, while you're out there picking on stuff in the tree there, one of our very first episodes, ooh, I'm going to eat that. One of our very first episodes was climbing for caches, which we found a cache up in a tree, and I sent the kid up there to go get it.
I don't remember.
You don't remember that?
No.
It's one of the first ones. Put the GoPro on your head and everything. I'm going to put a link up there for it here. Maybe a screenshot or something here covering her face. We're at another location here for another tree climb cache, and neat thing about this one here is that it is a fizzy filler. Oh yes, that's right. Do I work on my fizzy? Not really. This cache here is a 1-5 difficulty for terrain, and it's up in that tree there. So join us here in this episode as the kid revisits climbing for caches. And there we go. The kid is a trooper. She's on her way to get that cache, which is way up in that tree. But it's kind of funny because if you look there, you can just like step up onto it, climb up there onto those branches and grab it. It's not really that difficult. But hey, it's a fizzy filler cache, so what can I say? Ow. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. Oh wow, there it is. Right there. Wow, I could have even climbed up there to get this. I thought it was going to be a little bit more dangerous than this, so I was like, I'll just bring the kid. Have her, oh, I get a free phone. And have her climb up there and get it. Okay, there you go, kid. Oh, there we go. We have a fizzy filler right there. A 1-5 difficulty for terrain cache. Right, you got a pen, kid?
No.
Wow, what type of cacher are you?
Bad one.
You heard it right there. Welcome to Geocache with Komikino and the bad geocaching kid.
Disrespectful. Go.
What did you do? What?
Whatever that white thing is.
Oh, the kid dropped something. He dropped white kitty. Oh, it's cute. Anybody want a white cat toy? Well, come to this cache here and find it. There we go. This probably violates some child labor laws in some countries, but here in the States, nobody cares. Thanks for getting that cache, kid.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so you know what? That looks pretty easy. I'm going to go ahead and just climb up there and climb back down.
Hope you fall.
Gosh, wow. See what I got to put up with. It's no longer the kid. It's Geocache with Komikino and the little monster. Now, what's the best way to get up into this mess? Ow! Boom, there we go. Yeah, I could have got that. Didn't need you, kid, but thanks for joining. How do I get that? Whoops. Awesome!
You're gonna tie your shoelace.
And there we go, folks. Climbing for caches, part 2. Like
10 years later.
6 to 8 years later. It was like 2015, 2016. I'll look it up. I'll put the link to the video here. I'll put the date for when we last climbed for caches. But thanks for joining us here again as we climb for this cache. And hey, who knows where I'll be caching next with the little monster. Until then, cache on. All right, Kate, you ready to go climb a tree to get a cache?
Yes.
Okay. All right, go ahead and climb on up.
How do I take this off? There's nothing
There's nothing in it.
except for this paper thing.
How you doing, kid?
Good.
All right.
I'm almost down.
Okay, awesome.
Pro, my head, it hurts.
Yeah.
It's heavy.
So that's one cache in a tree. Now we're gonna go find another one.
So